So first thing is, this one is a 2016 Kia Sedona 3.3. So today we're gonna remove the battery. So first time we're gonna disconnect the ground cable using a number 10 with a small screwdriver Phillips. We're gonna remove these clips. So you're gonna twist it to the left. Okay. So you got another one, just remove it. To remove this part, we're gonna grab it from the back and just remove it. Okay, now also we're gonna release the positive cable using a number 10 millimeter to release the wire. And also we're gonna remove this bolt right there. That one is this number 12. So we're gonna use the socket number 12 with the extension to remove that bolt. Right, so we're gonna remove the bolt together with the bracket, and now the battery is loose. So we don't have no more bolts on the back. So as you can see, now we can remove the battery. Alrighty, so you're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put it back. It's really easy to install it.